as many of you know, I usually have at least 2 or 3 projects going in tandem. And so this latest project, I was able to finish it, deliver it today, was a gaming table that I'm pretty proud of. And I gotta say, I was super happy with this one, not only because it was a great project and came out with a great result, but also an awesome customer. Shout out to James. I felt like this was very much a collaborative work, got him what he was looking for. I enjoy the process of the build and being able to make my customers happy. So really appreciate it. Also, a big shout out to Coastal Furniture Services for the great job they did on the finish. So we'll cut to the finished product video.